Yeah. Can we start, children? Before going to today's class, just I want to ask a few questions from my students. There are 9 students in the classroom. I can ask one by one. The first question, someone is given chart. What is that? Any doubt, children? Yeah, ma'am, I'm not. I am in my. Tomorrow will go next class. I will show homework. Okay, okay, right, Vinil. Yes. The first question goes to Rishita. Rishita, are you ready, ma?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. Can you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction?
Sure, ma'am. Can I write and say you the answer now?
Yeah, you can tell the steps I'm doing here so that other people also can know. Yeah. First, what we should do, my dear, you just let me know on screen. You just read and let me know what I should do.
One second, one second. Can I tell?
What I should do first.
I'm sure to convert it to improper fraction.
Rishita, this is whole part. Yeah, this 2 is whole part. This is denominator. You just first multiply, you look at the board. You just look at the board. You just multiply 2 multiplied with first 5.
Yes, ma'am, I did this. Yeah.
Then what you should do? After multiplying some result, you will get 2 5s are how much?
2 5.
Yes, Rishita, 2 5 times.
2 5 are 10.
Very good. 10 plus 3. You need to add with this numerator.
13.
10 plus 3.
13.
Very good. 13 by 5 is your improper
Answer.
fraction. Now you understood, my dear, mixed number to improper fraction. Mixed number to improper fraction. Can I give one more to Akshita? Yes, Rishita. Rishita,
Yes, ma'am.
please answer one more question. 3 4 by 11.
3 4 5 11 3s are 33.
Yes, 11 3s are 33. Wonderful.
33 plus 4.
Very good. 33 plus 4 is
37. 37.
37 by 11. Good. Next question too. Yeah. Thank you, Rishita. Like that, you need to respond when I'm asking any question. Please respond, children. Now my question to Karthik. Wait, Karthik. There are many questions we can. Where is Soumya? Are you there, ma?
Yes.
Soumya. The question to Soumya. Soumya, can you make 6 by 72 in standard form?
And which form?
Standard form or simplest form?
Simplest form. Okay, 1 minute.
Standard form or simplest form or reducing into lowest form? Or there are many words, children, or reducing into lowest form.
No, I got the answer. Send you in the chat.
Yeah, please.
I sent you the chat, ma'am. I got the answer.
Okay. Yeah, this is only recapitulation, children. Everyone should be, not only Rishita, not only Soumya, not only Akshara. Other students also you can post in your chat box. I'm continuously watching. Yeah, others also, please.
6 table, ma'am. 6 ones are 6 and 6 12s are 72.
6, Soumya, did you answer the question?
6 and 6 12s are 72.
Very good. 6 12 times. So what is the standard form, Soumya? Very good. Good.
And we can't reduce it.
Yeah, now we can't reduce. Why? Because 1 and 12, there is no common factor except 1. Both are co-primes. Both are co-primes. What are co-primes? Now my question to, yes, Varshit Krishna, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Varshit, what are the prime numbers between 90 to prime number between
prime number of 4 prime.
90 to 100. What is the prime number between 90 to 100? How many prime numbers do you have? What
Ma'am,
is
91 is a prime number.
who is asking? Yes, Varshit Krishna, I'm not sure. You're supposed to think and let me know. Others also, please think it.
Ma'am, 97 is a prime number.
Very good. Only one prime number, that is 97. Very good, Varshit. Next question goes to Om. Om, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Soumya, any doubt, Soumya, here? Soumya, I can't hear you, Soumya. Children, did you hear about Soumya's voice?
No, ma'am. Her voice is no, ma'am.
I think volume is very low. Please check, Soumya. Soumya, please.
No.
Yeah, I can hear right now.
Ma'am, it was a fan song. Ma'am, I'm saying that 91 comes in which table?
91 comes in 17 table. Omya, please check once.
Okay, ma'am.
17 or 13 children. Which table? 91 will come in which table?
17 table, ma'am.
Sure?
7.
17. How many times? I think not 17 table. Please check in 13 table.
Ma'am, it's 7.
7 table. Very good. Very good. It will come in 7 table, right? Right.
13 times.
Right. Correct. 13 table. 13, 7.
Reason 13 table comes.
13, 7, 17, 13. Both are same. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next, my dear, the students, please, who got chance?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, I want to ask, like, ma'am, is there any shortcut to find, like, this comes in this table or what? Is there
Which
any
one?
shortcut?
Prime numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
First, you check with 2 table and 3 table. Most of the numbers will, if not happening with those 2 tables, go with the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? 5.
Prime numbers are which have only 2 factors.
Yeah,
the 1 and the number itself.
Yeah, that's all. There is just a minute, children. I can't see all my kids. Now, next question goes to Hariharan. You there, Nana? Hariharan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Hariharan, your question is 33 by 2. Can you convert 33 by 2 into mixed number?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Start to divide. Ma'am?
Yes.
Start to divide.
Yes, very good. We have to divide. Yes, we have to divide. Good. How many times?
Ma'am, we can take 6.
Very good. We can take 6 times. 12. What is the remainder?
1, ma'am.
Now, please let me know which is whole part. Your quotient is whole number part.
And
this is numerator. This is denominator. Come on, please let me know the mixed number.
16.
16.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. These are the basic things, children. Please don't think like because yesterday I'm really worried about a few students. The basics part, basic things are not. Next question goes to.
I had a doubt in mixed fraction, ma'am.
Next question goes to the student Akshara. Akshara, are you there, ma? Akshara.
I name but didn't ask me yet.
Yes, Mom, 1 minute, Mom. I'll come to you. Akshara, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, Akshara, please answer my question, Akshara. Akshara, my fraction was 3 by 5 with the denominator 45 with the denominator 45. 3 by 5 with the denominator 45. Yes, with the denominator 45. Can I know the numerator part? Yes, can I know the numerator? Because denominator, I know. Both are equivalent. Yes, yes.
And 5 nines are 45 and 3 nines are 27. 27 by
Wonderful.
40.
5 nines are 45, 3 nines are 27.
7.
Good. Who gave this answer? Akshara. Very good, Akshara. Why we are using these things? Because yesterday we are addition of unlike fractions. We are doing the same thing we are doing there. We are writing equivalent fractions. We are making them as a like fractions. That basic part is very important. The next thing. Just a minute, children. Next, who are there right in the classroom? Varshit, Krishna, did I ask the question to you?
Yes, ma'am, you asked.
Okay, and who else is left without asking my basic part?
Ma'am, I think Akshara, ma'am.
Vinil Bhargav should answer right now.
Ma'am, Vinil gave this answer.
Yeah, Vinil is there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay.
Ma'am, Karthik.
Karthik, 1 minute.
Karthik, Hariharan and Akshara, ma'am.
Sure. I will.
Home is also left.
Yeah, I will ask those students too. Just a minute. Next question number. Just a minute, children. Next question number 6. These are the basic things, children, because I need to start multiplication of fractions. Before going to that, you need these all things thoroughly. Not only that, don't forget those things, children, such a number system. In number system, someone is asking what is co-primes, why we need in this chapter. Don't question like that. Because some numbers, if denominators are co-primes, means product is the LCM. Yes. That prime numbers. What are prime numbers? These are interlinking topics with your earlier. Next one. Coming to the question number 6 too. Who is for question number 6?
And Karthik, left.
Karthik Verma. Right. Question number 6 for Karthik Verma. Karthik, 16 divided by 32 is equal to 2 divided by denominator is question mark. What is this?
Ma'am, it's 4.
Vinil, wait, Vinil. I'll give to the chance to you. 1 minute. Vinil.
And it's 4.
It's
4.
4. How it is 4? Can I?
Ma'am, 16 divided by 8 is 2.
Wonderful.
So, 32 divided by 8 is 4.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good explanation. Good, Karthik. Next question to Vinil Bhargav. Vinil,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. These are very important, children. You are making like fractions, nothing. You are writing equivalent fractions. That's all. Suppose my question is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 6. Or else you can go with 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Vinil, what I should do? Is it like or unlike, Vinil?
Unlike, ma'am.
Is it like or unlike? Very good. Unlike. Very good. It's unlike. So what we should do? Is it directly when we add? Yes. LCM. What is the LCM of denominator? Here denominator means down portion. 3 and 6. What is LCM of 3 and 6? By looking only, no need of solution, children. Here in this case, especially in this case, one is
6, ma'am. 3 to the 6, that's why 6.
very good. Why? Because 3's multiple is 6. So greater number is LCM always. 3 table you will get 6, children. That's why LCM always 6. Not only in this case. Suppose 4 and 12. What is the LCM of 4 and 12?
12, because 4 2s are 2.
Very
No,
good.
ma'am.
Suppose 5 and 75. 5 and 75. What is LCM?
75.
75. Such a questions, no need of doing normal procedure, making using commas, no need. You can directly, why? Because it's a multiple. One first number is multiple of other number. So greater number is the LCM, least number is the HCF. So which is the least number in this case? 3. So what is the least number in this case?
4.
4. Which is HCF here?
4.
4. In this last case, what is the HCF here?
5.
5. Very good. These things you're supposed to remember. Some cases, no need of doing LCM. We can, yes, Vedant, I think you are, other day also you attended the class, right, Vedant? Vedant, you are not new to the class, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, right, right.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't got the link 3 minutes ago, ma'am. Like, can you tell what did you tell?
No, we are going once again with basic parts only, Vedant. I'm not started the class yet because the basic things I'm teaching right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. Next, right now LCM is what we need? LCM is 6. In
6.
this case, LCM is 6. So you just by looking the numbers, you just see first fraction denominator is 3. 3 should make 6 means what number you should multiply?
6. 3 2 are 6.
Next you should just multiply first fraction with 2. No need to change second fraction. Why? Because it is already denominator is 6.
Yes, ma'am.
So no
Mama?
need. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, Vedant, please.
Ma'am,
That's
it's
5
not.
by 6, ma'am.
1 minute, Vedant, I'll come to you. 4 by 6 plus 5
It's
by
5 by
6. So 4 plus 5, you just add up numerator, children. 4 plus 5, how much?
11 by 6.
9 by 6.
11, 9 by 6. 9 by 6, it's not 11. 9 by
I
6.
thought it was 6.
Children, in this case, you can see there is some technique is there. 9 and 6 is not a simplest form. It's not a standard form. Did you observe? What is
It's an
the
improper
common?
fraction.
What is
It's
the
an
common factor here? You can cancel with 3 tables.
1 3 by 6. And the answer is 1 3 by 6.
1,
3 by
1 by
6.
2. If you write
Yes.
as a mixed number, 3 by 2, if you divide as, so ones are 2, what one is remainder. You just write it. Yes. 1 by 2 is your answer. Some cases, it's not the same procedure. Children. Yeah, Vedant is asking some raising doubt. What's the
Mama, have a doubt in the homework, ma'am. How can you do LCD, ma'am?
LCM?
Least LCD, ma'am.
LCD and
LCM means least common
Denominator.
I know that.
Ma'am, you gave it as LCD, ma'am. Least
both are
common
same,
denominator.
Nana. Both are same.
Now we are doing LCD.
Okay, both are same. Divisor, they're asking. Divisor.
LCM and LCD are same.
Both are same. GC. Yes, someone is calling.
What's
now.
the meaning of LCD?
Least common divisor. Very good. Let me go with one example because most of the kids, I think you did not heard earlier, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will help you. Wait a minute. LCD. What is LCD? What is LCM? What is GCD? What is GCF? GCF or GCD, greatest common GCD we can use, and HCF. These are the different terminologies we are using in this chapter, children.
What is GCF?
Yeah, I will let you know. LCD means least common divisor.
Denominator.
Where does this
Divisor.
LCM means 1 minute, Nana, I'm coming.
least common multiples?
Least
Least common multiple.
multiple.
But let's say greater common factor.
Greatest common denominator.
Greatest common
Divisor.
factor.
Greatest common
Divisor.
Yes, greatest.
Common divisor.
Yes, greatest common divisor.
Highest
Very
common
good.
factor.
Common divisor.
Yes, common factor.
Yes.
Highest common factor.
Ma'am, isn't
Can you
it
tell,
Unit children.
ma'am, can you tell where is GCD and LCD used?
HCF.
highest common factor.
highest common
Highest
factor?
common factor.
Yes, correct children.
Ma'am, we learned about HCF and LCM, but we did not learn about LCM.
But some
Ma'am?
cases, children, both are same. LCD and LCM both are same. GCD and HCF both are same.
Okay.
They can ask you in, sir, namaste, sir. Hello, sir.
Namaste, ma'am. Please carry on.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just I
Thank you,
joined.
thank you, sir. Yeah, this is the thing. So these are the two things we are discussing earlier. There is a doubt with a small divisor, least common divisor. Why we call it that name as a least common divisor and least common multiple, both are same. And the greatest common divisor, highest common factor, both are same. No doubt, children. In the there is a different terminologies. We can use that words also.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay. Got children? Any doubt till?
Ma'am, like, why do we use least common divisor? and
Suppose in some
fractions, ma'am?
examination they were asking about only. They're not mentioned the word as LCM. They're not mentioned the word as LCM. They're asking about least common divisor, which is the least common. Suppose I'm asking the question. You see, what are the factors of 4? What are the factors of 4, my dear children? 1, 2, 4. And what are the factors of
8. It's
1, 2, 4, 8.
1.
1, 2, 4, 8? What are common factors here?
1 and
1,
2.
1, 2, 4.
Which is the least? Which is the least common?
1.
1. 1. Which is the greatest common?
4.
4.
Yes. Now, if you take these numbers, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, these two numbers, which is the greatest common divisor? Common divisor means which number will divide the
4.
greatest? 4. So if you see, this is the GCD. GCD. Yes, hope you understood, children.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Yes, someone is calling till.
ma'am, can you show an example of a LCD, ma'am?
Oh yeah, we will go with that part also. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I just started out with the mixed fraction.
So whenever you are going to class 10, the same things you are going to learn as a factor. What is that? Euclid's algorithm is some things children in division rule only, and some part of some word I forgot. I will let you know. Same things you will learn there in your senior class, but some algorithm factorize. No. Fundamental theorem of fundamental theorem. You will learn the same things you have, but they are going with some theoretical part. Here we are taking some examples of your arithmetical operations, and we are doing. Next thing, what is the LCD? Least common divisor. Suppose my numbers are, I'm taking 6. What are the factors of 6, my dear? 1 minute, children, I'll come to you. Let me explain what is LCD. What are the factors of least common factors? What is the factors of 6, children? First of all, what are the factors of 6? You can write 6 as 1 into 6, 2 into 3.
1, 2, 3, 6.
So 1, 2,
2,
3.
3 and 6.
Yes. Next.
Ma'am,
What are the factors of 14? 14 can be written
1
as.
to 7, 14.
1, 2, 7,
1
14.
to 7 and 14.
So here, what are the factors of 14?
1, 2, 7, 14.
1 to
7, 14. In this, which are the common factors?
1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Common factors are 1 and 2. So common, least common factor is nothing but divisible. Suppose if you take these two factors are exactly divide your numbers. Suppose if you take number 6, if you take number 6, 1 6 times 6, 0 is the remainder. So it is exactly divisible. Yes. If you take the number as 2, if you not only 6 children, 14 also will be exactly 1 is a common divisor for a 1. That's why we are asking 1 as a common divisor for each and every thing. Now 1 14s are 14. This is very clear. Coming to the another factor. What is another factor here? 2. 2, how many times you will get 6? 2 3s are 6. 2, how many times you will get 14? 2 7s are 14. What is remainder here? 0. So it is exact divisor. So 1 and 2 are the exact divisors. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the least common multiples. Multiples of 6 and the same examples we will take. Same exam. What are multiples? Factors and multiples.
Factors? My multiple in this 6, 3 are multiples of
Yeah, suppose what are multiples of 6 children?
6 6
1, 2, and
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, till
I'm asking
infinity.
you
no.
multiples.
That's 12,
Multiples are
18, 24, 30.
24,
ma'am,
30, 36, 40,
42,
42, 48, 50.
What are the multiples of 12?
12,
12,
48, 60, 72, 84, 72, 84, 84,
96.
Which are
72.
common multiples here? Common multiples.
12, 24, 36.
You can
24, 36.
12 is a common
12,
multiple.
24, 26.
24 is common multiple.
Actually, 48 is also.
Once, children, you one Vedant, if you know first common multiple, you can just write the 12 table. 12 2s are 24, then 36, 12 4s are 48. These are the common multiples. Which is the least common multiple? Which is the least common multiple?
12.
Which is the least common multiple?
12.
12.
So,
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt in LCM, ma'am. I have a doubt in LCD in fractions, ma'am.
LCD means least common divisor, Nana. 1 is the least common divisor.
Ma'am,
Divisor
how do
means
you
which
do it?
divide the number exactly. That means remainder should be 0. Yes. Any doubt still? Still
I
any
don't
doubt?
have a doubt
Ma'am,
related
like,
to that.
how do you do LCD with fractions?
With what is the question? Please let me know. Otherwise, you have the question. Please
Yeah,
repeat.
1 minute.
How do you do LCD with fractions?
1 minute. 1 minute. What is the question? Let me know.
Ma'am, I'm telling the
Question, please.
question.
It is there in our group.
Yeah,
Children,
ma'am.
please. Soumya, read the question. What is
Ma'am, can I
regarding
read the
LCD?
question, ma'am? 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. What is
3
the
by
least
4,
common?
3 by 4 and 5 by 6.
What is the least common denominator? LCD.
LCD, yeah, that one.
What is the least common?
Denominator.
LCD.
Very good question.
LCD.
What is the least common denominator? So, what is the LCM of 4 and 6?
12.
Ma'am, 2.
LCM, I'm not asking about a HCF. I'm asking
16.
2 to 4 to 3
That's
to
12, ma'am.
That's 16.
12.
2 into 2
2
into
4,
3.
12.
What is 2 into 2 into 3? 12. If you see,
12.
12 can be exactly divided with the 4 as well as 6 is also exactly divided with, sorry, 12 is also exactly divided with 6. So if you check this denominator, which is the least common denominator here, we can make
Ma'am,
12.
12.
12, Vedant, 12. Hope you understood, Vedant. It's nothing but LCM, Nana. Don't think more than that. It's nothing but LCM.
okay, ma'am.
It's nothing but LCM.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Next part. What is another doubt? Yes, someone.
No doubt.
No doubt. Shall we go with the next part of the question?
That's all, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a doubt with mixed fraction.
GCD, greatest common divisor. Vedika?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I have a different mixed fraction. ma'am.
someone is calling, but I'm not getting their voice.
Ma'am, Soumya is calling.
Soumya is calling.
Soumya, what's your doubt, ma?
Ma'am, I'm asking that I have a doubt in mixed fraction, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, suppose the mixed fraction, the whole number is 7, ma'am,
Hmm.
and it is given, ma'am, it can be the like full fraction, like 6 by 6. Is it correct? That
7
6 by 6.
7
6.
minus 6 by 6.
Mixed fraction, ma'am. Then subtraction. I'm not asking subtraction.
Ah.
7 6 by 6. I'm asking, ma'am. Can it be correct? I'm asking like that.
7 by 7. 7.
I was just asking 7 whole number. Then the fraction is 6 by 6. Is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes, I'm asking that.
Yeah, 7 whole number.
6 is a fraction, ma'am. Is that correct? I'm asking if we write it in a mixed fraction.
7 1. What is the mixed number? You can please let me know. 7 1 by 1 or 7 6 by 6. Is it so?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking this only, ma'am. Is this correct to if we write like
No, no, we supposed to not write this. This is wrong way of
that?
explaining.
That means the numerator will be smaller every time.
No, not like that. It should be improper fraction, but it is a whole number. You can write this as 8. You can write this as 8.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Understood, Soumya? Very good question. Actually, most of the kids, they may get doubt here. 6 by 6 is a whole number. That means a whole, one whole. So 7 plus 1 gives 8.
Okay.
But we should not represent like that, children. We should not represent.
We should represent only whole. Okay.
Ah, yeah. Next, any other doubt? Shall we go with the
No,
today's topic?
Yes.
Yeah,
sir.
ma'am.
Suppose before starting multiplication of fraction, addition and subtraction, do you have any doubt, children, in class 6 students? Because addition and subtraction
No, ma'am.
is more and more important. Okay. Students, I should not.
Ma'am.
Vedika. Sorry, Advika, are you there? Advika.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
3 by 4 plus 7 by 12.
I didn't ask my question yet.
Children, please, other students also, please put in the chat box your answers. Only 1 minute time for one question. 7:45, you should supposed to give within a minute. Advika, what is the answer? How you supposed to add these two fractions? Because a few students are new to the class, children, that's why I'm repeating. Be with me sometime, then we will go with the multiplication. Yes. 3 by 4 and 7 by 12. These two are what type of fractions? What we should do? Is it like or
Yes,
unlike
ma'am.
fraction?
Can I see the answer?
I
Ma'am,
got
done,
answer
ma'am.
from my students. Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, I did
Chat,
it.
ma'am. I've sent you the chat. Can I tell what's the answer?
Mixed number. Okay. Very good. You can convert and give mixed number. Yes, you can convert and give mixed number.
Fractional mixed number.
Yeah, I got
Why,
answer. Most of the kids are given correct answer.
Why required mission of instruction?
Ma'am,
Then someone are given, Soumya, you are given as 4 by 12. 4 by 12, can you reduce into 4 table once again?
4 by 12 is I think wrong now. I think the answer is 9 by 12.
Most of the kids are given, no, not simplified. They are giving raising form, not reduced form.
10 by 12.
Your answer should be standard
Mama,
form
give
then.
the answer. And mixed fraction.
Vedant given, okay. Vinil Bhargav, correct. Vinil, you are given absolutely correct answer.
Just a second, ma'am. I have posted the wrong answer.
Vedant also given correct answer, but they are not given as a standard form. Soumya, now she gave correct answer.
Now, so correct?
Oh, Sony, just a minute, Sony, I'm checking.
Mama gave it as a mixed fraction and even a normal fraction now.
Okay, 1 minute.
16 by 12.
Yes, Advika, are you thinking? Advika.
Ma'am, did I give correct? No, I have changed. I have reduced it.
ma'am,
Correct?
Yes.
I didn't remember.
Still, am I audible?
first, is it like or unlike?
Am I audible?
Yes, most of the kids are given correct answers.
Like,
Soumya, ma'am, I have sent you.
Children, if all will give correct answers only, today I will teach multiplication, or else I won't give multiplication today. Still, I will go with 1 or 2 classes with addition and subtraction. Yes, is it like or unlike, Advika?
Mama, when we
Advika, given fractions are like or unlike? Vedant?
yeah, mom.
Yes.
Mom, when we do the LCM and do it and multiply and get it into a number, mom, it's like, and when it's in a question form, when the denominators are not same, it is unlike, mom.
Why we should always, unlike fractions, should be converted into like fractions? Very simple technique, children. If you see, this is
Because
unlike,
because we can't add the subtract.
yeah, we can't do any operations on unlike, children. Suppose if I'm asking
Mom, we can do only multiplication without any LCM, mom.
But addition and subtraction, we should always, it should be
LCM and denominators
like fractions. It should be like fractions. But if unlike fractions were given, you need to find LCM of denominators. That is the step 1. First step, you need to find LCM of denominators. What are denominators here? 4 and 12. 4 and 12. 4 and 12 commonly which table it is divisible, children?
Mom, it is 12.
Mom.
3, ma'am. 4, 3, ma'am.
12, mom.
LCM is 12, ma'am. LCM is 12.
Please mute your mic.
12.
Mute your mic and listen. So now 1 and 3 won't go in any common table. So you simply multiply all the things. Here 4 3s are 12 is LCM. Now, no need of doing procedure also, children. No need of doing this procedure also.
prime numbers, right?
4 is a multiple. Ma'am, 12 is a multiple of
4 multiple is 12. Very good. That's why you can go with directly. So 3 by 4 is your fraction.
Ma'am, 4 into 3, 2.
Yes,
right?
you should multiply with the 3. Second fraction, no need to disturb. It is already 12. It's already denominator is 12, which is equal to LCM. Yes, someone raised the hand.
Ma'am, it's me, ma'am, Varshit. Ma'am, Chanakya.
Varshit.
Yeah, ma'am, while doing LCM, ma'am, we need to use prime numbers, right, ma'am? We cannot use composite
No,
numbers.
my dear. Only in very good question asked by the child. Excellent. Who is that child name? Can I know the child name?
Ma'am, Varshit.
Varshit, you are absolutely correct. Not your, because if your teacher is asking about the prime factorization, you need to do with the prime factorization. The word she is asking prime factorization means you can go with only prime numbers. You use only prime numbers. But in LCM, you can go with the common factor. You can go with the highest common factor.
Can I tell the reason?
Yes.
Ma'am, because ma'am, we can take only prime number, ma'am, because because the even numbers are there that are always like composite number there. So they are always
No,
composite.
he is asking the question. He is asking wonderful question. Actually, I'll appreciate the child. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Because in senior classes also, I can observe the students are when I'm asking find the LCM, they will go with only prime numbers. No need, children. You can go with the highest common factor. Suppose I'm asking the question like you need to find the LCM of 68 and 64. You can go with directly 8 table. Yes. You can go directly with the 8 table. I'm not asking about a prime factorization. I'm asking about to find the LCM. You need to go with the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Hope you understood my doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Children, you can go. Senior students also, they will go with only prime numbers. So it takes time, children. Don't go with that. If they're asking LCM, you go with common factor, which is the highest common factor. You can go divide. If they're mentioned as a prime factorization, means you can go with only prime numbers. Now, in this case, no need. Directly 12 is denominator. Here, our LCM part is also 12. Both are same. No need to convert. 3 3s are here. Just multiply the numerator. 3 into 3, 9. 4 3s are 12. Then 7 by 12. Both are what type of fractions?
Like fractions.
So you can add numerators.
We
9
usually
plus
add
7 are the numerators and put the common
16.
denominator.
16.
Yes, understood, or else shall I help you once again?
Not
Understood.
required, ma'am. Understand, ma'am.
But the question was very nice question asked by the children. This is very important because if you know that thing, you can directly go with highest common factor. No need of going with only prime numbers. If mentioned particularly prime factorization means you go with the
Ma'am?
This is once again your task, children. 16 by 12 was coming. Here it is a standard form. It is there in standard form or any
Convert in simplest form. Convert in simplest form. 8
any
by
common number is any common factor is there for numerator and denominator here. There are many common factors like 1, 2, 4. Which is the highest common factor here? Yes, you can divide with 4 table, right? Children, 16 will come in 4.
16, 4, 3 are 12.
Very good. 16, 4, 4, 6, 4 4s are 16.
4 by 3.
Again, 4 3
4 by
is
3.
12.
Ma'am, we can convert in mixed fraction. Answer we will get is
But
1 by 4.
always you reduce and then convert into mixed number. Children, that's my request.
1 by 4.
Now 3 1s are 3. 1 is remainder. 1 by 3 is it? Yeah. Maximum. But this is your answer. Any doubt here?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
what is prime factorization?
Very good. What is prime factorization? If you want to make a factor, you are going to express your number in terms of prime factors. Suppose the question is 24. I want prime factorization. What is prime factorization of 24? You need to express the number as a product of prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Before going to do this question, what are prime numbers? You need to know what are prime numbers. Who will say 1 to 100 prime?
Now can I?
1 to 100 prime numbers.
Ma'am, we have only 2 factors. Can I? 1 and the number itself.
Yes, yes. Why prime numbers are very important. Prime Minister.
Ma'am, I know. Can I say? Hariharan can tell, ma'am.
1 minute, children. If you speak all together, I can't hear anyone. So one of the child is asking, can I answer? Yes, you can
Ma'am,
answer.
Advika, can I answer?
Advika. Hariharan, wait, I'll come to you. Advika, what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100?
Yes, ma'am. Prime numbers is just said as the number which has the number itself and
Only
which has 1 and number itself.
Ma'am, which has only 2 factors, ma'am.
very good.
That is
Prime
called-
numbers has only 2 factors. 1 and number itself. 1 and number.
But 2 is only an even number which comes in prime number.
Very good. 2 is even prime number. 2 is only even prime number, no other number. Very good, very good.
It's only, but 2 is only a even, it's only an even prime number. Rest all even numbers are
Odd numbers.
gone.
Other prime numbers are odd except 2. Very good. Now I want why prime number. Do you think Prime Minister is very important to our country, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that.
They are best so that
Yes, yes. Like that in mathematics also, prime numbers are very, very important, children. How Prime Minister is very important to our country. For mathematics, most of number system depends on prime numbers. If you are very good, confident on prime numbers, you can do your calculations in senior classes more faster. Yes. Now, what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100?
2,
Now,
3.
1 minute, children. I'll call one by one. 1 to 10 prime numbers. I want answer from Akshara. 1 to 10, Akshara.
Can I didn't got any question, ma'am. Yes.
Mom,
Can I answer?
surely I'll come to you.
I'm Soumya, can I tell?
Hariharan, 1 to 10 and 10 to 20 for one child. And you can, other students can put in the chat box, children. 30,
Okay, ma'am.
20 to 30. 1 to 100, if you know also 1 to 100, how many? If you know, please type in your chat box. Come on.
From 1 to 100, there are many.
1 to 100 prime numbers. You can please type in your chat box. Who knows very well? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and
I kept 1 to 100, ma'am.
60 to 70, 70 to 80.
Ma'am, I kept in the chat box to you. 1 to
Yeah,
100.
how many you know? You just place it, children. 80 to 90, and the last to 90 to 100. This is minimum mandatory, children. If you are in sleep, also I'm asking. I will wake. I'll just make you ask what are prime numbers between 1 to 100. Mean tapa. You can answer. That's the. Yes. First, I'm asking the question to the student. Akshara should answer 1 to 10.
Can I
Akshara.
also?
Yes. Hariharan. Yes, Hariharan, please. 1 to 10, what are the prime numbers?
I didn't got any chance, ma'am.
Up to 1 to 10, ma'am.
Up to 1 to 10.
2, 3, 5, 7, ma'am.
2, 3, 5, 7. Very good. Very good, Hariharan. Next, Om. 10 to 20.
Okay, ma'am. 11, 13,
11, 13,
11, 13, 17,
17.
19.
Wonderful. Next.
Ma'am, can I?
Can I? Who is can I asking the word? Huh?
Ma'am, Vedant.
Vedanta. 20 to 30, please. Very good.
Ma'am, 23 and 29, ma'am.
What, ma? Can you repeat?
23 and 29, ma'am.
Wonderful. Next. Who will answer 30 to 40?
Can I try?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can I try Soumya?
Name I want. First you have to tell your name.
Soumya.
Hmm?
Ma'am, Soumya.
Soumya,
Soumya,
please.
ma'am.
Soumya, please.
Ma'am, 31.
Hmm.
Okay, then. Ma'am, 37.
33 also.
33 comes in 3
Ma'am,
tables.
31, 33 and
33 comes
oh
in.
yeah, 33. 11.
No 33. No 33.
Yes,
33.
Ma'am,
33 comes in
37.
3 also.
Ma'am, only this two,
11.
ma'am.
Yeah, not more.
Now, where is Advika? Advika, please.
Yes, ma'am.
40 to
41.
50. Very good.
Ma'am, I wrote till 1 to 100. 43.
43. Please place in your chat box, Nona.
Ma'am, I kept,
45.
ma'am.
40. Can you please the next number? What is the next number?
45.
My dear child, 45, 5 is ended, is it?
5, 7, 5,
It
9.
will divisible
5,
with
9,
5
45.
table.
Fine.
Come on, think it, no issue. Think and let me know.
47.
47, very good, Vedika, very good, Advika.
49.
40? Okay, no 49,
49.
my dear. 49 comes
49.
table.
7, sir.
So 49 won't come. Only 3 numbers. Those are 41, 43, 47. Right. Next question goes to the Karthik Verma.
Higher and send the prime numbers up to 1 to 100.
Very good. Let me check who are sending 1 to 100 prime numbers in their chat box. Let me check who is the 2 genius in the class. How many prime numbers, Hariharan, did you get in between 1 to 20, 1 to 100? Yes, Hariharan, in between 1 to 100, how many you got? There are many students. Varshit Krishna already sent, and the other student is 1 minute.
I'm typing, just wait for a second.
Really good children who are sent all correct 1 to 100. I will really appreciate those things. Because Prime Minister, like Prime Minister, how he is important, like prime numbers are most important.
Sent you, can you see it?
Soumya sent till 19, okay. Vinil Bhargav.
Ma'am, I sent it,
Akshit.
50 also.
Okay, 1 to 100.
50 to 60.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 23. Akshara, you forget some of the numbers in the middle after 11, 13. There are few more prime numbers. Please think about it and how many prime numbers you got, children, in between 1 to 100? Please count.
Please send you to 60, ma'am.
Please count it and let me know the answer.
Ma'am, did you call me, ma'am?
No, I did not.
Ma'am, 25.
Yes, someone said.
Ma'am, 25.
Who said the word 25?
Ma'am, Rishita.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, 25 comes in 5 table.
No. In between 1 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? I'm asking. Now, who will say 50 to 60? In between 50 to 60.
Ma'am, can
I say, ma'am? I got only 2.
Ma'am, can I tell?
20,
Okay,
ma'am. 20.
Vinil, please answer. Vinil Bhargav.
Ma'am, 50 to 60 is 53.
Okay.
59.
53 and 59.
Ma'am, can I tell 60 to 70, ma'am? I
Okay.
got only 2 numbers.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's 61, 67, ma'am.
In between 60 to 70.
We have only 2 numbers, ma'am. It's 60, 61 and 67.
Children, in between 60 to 70. Think with even numbers won't come. Even numbers, all even numbers are divisible with which table? All even numbers are divisible with 2 table.
Because the last
odd
digit is
numbers. In odd numbers also some are divisible with the 3 table. You can check it. What is divisibility rule of 2 and 3?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the difference?
Ma'am, 2 is the number ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are the divisible with 2, and the number and the 3 divisibility rule is the sum of the digit. The sum of the digit is there in the multiple of the term.
Very
3
good.
is the
divisible by 3 table or multiple of the 3. Very good. Both are
So,
correct.
like example, 6 plus 0.
No,
In this,
I want
6
wait. Don't divert the topic. I want 60 to 70. Who will answer the question in between 60 to 70? Because Vedika.
Ma'am,
67. Mama and 61 100.
61 and 67.
61,
Ma'am,
61, 67, 69 also, I think.
67,
69.
no 69. 69 will be go in 3 table because 6 plus 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So it won't
Only
count.
2, ma'am. We have only this 2.
Only 2.
Okay.
In between 70 to 80.
Ma'am,
71,
71, 79.
21, 73.
79.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very good children. In between 80
Ma'am,
and
77. Ma'am, 77 will come in 11 table.
83 and 89, ma'am. That's it. 83 and 89 too.
83 and
89.
89.
Oh, sorry.
Very
83 and
good. In
89.
between 90 to 100.
97.
97 only one prime number between.
Yes.
Very good children. Now you count it. How many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 10, 12. 12 plus 4, 16.
25.
Yes, so 16 plus 2, 18. 18
Five,
plus 2,
25.
20.
25.
20. 20. How many you got children?
25 I got.
25. Very good. There are many questions will be asked based on these prime numbers children. The wonderful question, let me know that one of the question in class 6, I think you are class 6 students or class 7 students children.
Ma'am, class 6.
There is a question for you. Most of the IMO examination, the question is repeated. The same question is repeated.
Ma'am, only in 6th class.
Oh, yes, only 6th class IMO. The question was repeated more than 5 times. Sir. It is there in your textbook also, children. The question is, let me ask you the same question. Write 7 consecutive numbers. Write 7 consecutive numbers, which all are composite numbers. So this is the question asked more than 5 to 6 times in your competitive examination, children. The question was, now you can think, based on the same topic, you can think. 1 minute, children. I'll just move my screen little left. The question I wrote on the based on the same thing. The question is express. Sorry, not express. Write 7 consecutive numbers. Consecutive means side by side, immediately next numbers. 7 consecutive numbers.
What a consecutive number? Can you
Yes,
please
write 7 consecutive numbers, which are all are
What a consecutive number?
which are all composite
Composite
numbers.
number.
Which all are composite numbers. No prime numbers between them.
Mom, it's hard to find.
This is more than 5 to 7 times. The same question was repeated, children. Same question was repeated in the MBOK. Write 7
What a consecutive numbers?
consecutive means side by side numbers. Now, suppose if a question number 2,
2 and
3,
3.
4, 5, 6 are consecutive numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10 are consecutive numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 are consecutive numbers. Immediately next numbers.
Ma'am, how do we categorize that, ma'am? It is composite.
You need to think. You need to think. This is
I
really
think something
wonderful.
around impossible.
There are 2 students.
I
Raise
think.
the hand. I'll ask. This is an open question to everyone. This is challenging.
Ma'am, it's impossible, ma'am, because they come alternatively. They never meet
No,
up.
ma'am. Yes. But no, ma'am. I think.
Okay, is it impossible? Who said the word is impossible?
Ma'am, even I think impossible, ma'am.
Ma'am, even
Impossible.
Whether
ma'am,
is
it's
it possible or impossible?
impossible, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Very
it is
good. Very
Zero,
good.
ma'am. Ma'am, there is 0, ma'am.
Yes, Wong?
Ma'am, there are zero. Ma'am, there are, we can write zero, ma'am. Ma'am, because the number are written in an order, one even and one odd. So we can't find it continuous order.
They're not asking about prime numbers, my dear. You need to write 7 consecutive composite number. That means there is no prime number between.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, no prime number.
Understood the concept?
Okay, now I got.
Ma'am, I did not understand about consecutive numbers, ma'am.
Consecutive numbers means immediately next number. Suppose if I'm taking like a number 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98.
Ma'am, 4, 5, 6.
1 minute. 4, 5,
6.
6. Yes. Is this 5 is a composite number, my dear?
Ma'am, it's a prime number.
It's prime number. So this sequence is not true. Come on, think like that.
Ma'am, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10.
8, 9. I need 7 consecutives, Nana, not 3. 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is composite, this is composite, this is composite. But I need how many?
Ma'am, but 7, how will it come?
Ma'am, 9 is prime number.
He is telling
9 is
8, 7, 10. That's why 8, 7, 10 is 8, 9, 10 is consecutive, but only 3. It's not. They need 7.
Ma'am, we can't take it like that.
Ma'am, 9 is a prime number, right, ma'am?
9.
Ma'am.
Who is asking 9 is prime number? Stupid.
Ma'am, 9 is composite.
Yeah.
3 table.
It has a fraction.
9 will come in 3 table. It's not 9 is not a prime number. If you
Ma'am,
say
all right.
Let me think.
Ma'am, 18, 19.
Someone said, who said, please, someone said the answer.
Ma'am,
Very good. Come on.
Between 8 and
ma'am,
9.
18, 19 and 20, ma'am.
Very good. 80.
18, 19 and 20.
89 is a prime number. Okay. Then 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Okay, very good, excellent. Who is the child? Said the word?
Me, ma'am.
Me means what is the name of the child?
Vedant.
Very good, Vedant. Very good, excellent child.
Oh, ma'am, here in 90. And ma'am, rest
So
of
see, children,
all are-
anywhere in between composite, only composite numbers. 90 is even number. It is divisible. This is 91. 91 will go in 13 table. 13 sevens are. 92 is again even number. 93 will divisible with 3 table. 94 is even number, composite. 95 divisible with 5. 96 divisible. So these are the consecutive numbers. Hope you understood, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This question is repeated more than 7 to 8 times in the IMO exam. Same question. No, same question. Very good. Anyway, now I'm coming to our class, children. What is the question asked by Advika? Thank you, Advika. A lot of concept taught by the students today because of you. 24. How I can represent 24 as a prime factors? Prime factors means I need to divide with only prime numbers. So 24, which prime table? Suppose 2 table. Yes, if you look at the number, end digit.
Ma'am, it 4. It ends with 4.
Yes, which only prime factorization means I need to take only prime number. I'm not going with composite number.
Yeah, ma'am.
If we divide it by 2, it will give 12.
Always least prime you go
And if
to.
we divide it with 12,
Least
we
is 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are.
ma'am, now we can make it 6, 2.
Ma'am,
Then we can make it 3. And 3. Ma'am, now we should use 3.
You can stop, children, till if you are getting lost.
Ma'am, if we want to make it 1 also, we can make, ma'am. 3 ones are 3.
If you want, you can further divide like that. Till 1 you can, but till prime number is enough, children. If you are learning like that, you can go, or else you can till prime number, you can stop, you can make it as now what are the prime factors for your 24? How you supposed to represent? Advika, are you there?
8 into 3.
Advika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Did you understood what are prime factorization? How suppose we are expressing all factors. Suppose 24 we are expressing in terms of prime numbers only.
And ma'am, if you want to check, ma'am, we can multiply all of them and we will get the answer as 24.
If you multiply, ultimately you will get 24. 2 2s are 4. 4
For
2s
cross
are 8.
checking our answer.
8 3s are 24. Like that, you need to recheck also once again.
Yes, ma'am. Like we can check also for
Yes.
are we correct?
Yes. Yes. It's, we'll discuss these things in your chapter little later, children. Once let me complete the part of the things we are in, where we are in addition of fractions. Based on addition of fractions, these are the basic things, children. I thought online classes, maybe I'm not aware about the big prime numbers you can learn in 4th class, 4 and 5. We use
Yes,
it
ma'am, we
to
have
give some grid sheet to the finding activity sheet for the finding prime numbers, 1 to 100 numbers. You are writing all 2 multiples here cross, then 3 multiples you are crossing, then 5 multiples, then 7 multiples. Like that you are crossing. What are the leftover numbers? Only your prime numbers. Like that we are doing activity in class 4 and 5. If possible, we'll do in the same activity. Sieve erythrocin activity. That name is also called it as sieve erythrocin or sieve erythrocin activity to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, now. Okay. Yes, children, today your task is to find the prime numbers, all prime numbers between 1 to 100. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. They can ask many questions based on prime numbers. Like just before I'm asking one of the question, like write 7 consecutive numbers which all are composite numbers. Not only that, they will ask in between prime number has how many factors? Yes, how many factors, children?
Huh?
Yes. Prime numbers has how many factors?
2 factor, ma'am. 1
and
and the number itself. 1 and
Two
number itself.
on the number itself.
Which is only prime, even prime number?
2.
2.
Oh,
There are something, not only that, children, when prime numbers, if you, I'll write all the prime numbers together because I need to give few more questions based on 5, 7. What is the other things, children? 11.
9, 11, 13.
Who said 9 again?
Sorry. 11,
9
13.
is 3. 9 has 3.
Yeah, sorry. 3.
Nine.
20, 23.
20.
29.
ma'am, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59,
61, 67, 71,
71,
73, 79.
83, 89, 9 and 97. ma'am.
Yes, 71.
Ma'am, 79, 83, 89, 97. 83, 89, 97.
Now there is a question, children. What are twin primes? Twin.
Mama, I know, ma'am. Can I say?
Yeah, please, Vedant. Who are
Ma'am,
twin? Who are
Ma'am, the
twin?
prime have only one composite number between them.
Yes, very good.
No,
No, Vedanta. What are twin prime numbers? What are prime triplets?
Mama, don't know what are prime triplets, ma'am.
Oh, okay, of course, you know prime. What are twin primes? Twins. Who are
Ma'am,
twins here? Who are
What?
twins here?
no one.
Twin prime numbers.
Ma'am, twin prime numbers
Ma'am,
have
it's like-
composite numbers.
No composite
Ma'am,
numbers, Rishita.
Ma'am, they are like, if it is like 5, 7.
Very good. If it is like 5, 7,
Ma'am,
difference
5,
between
7.
5 and 7 is 2.
Only,
Yes.
yeah, like
5
that,
and
ma'am.
3 is the difference between
13
5 and
and
3 is
15.
2. Difference between 13 and 11 is 2.
And ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 11
Difference
and
between
13,
19
ma'am.
and 17 is 2.
Ma'am, 11 and 13.
11
17 and
13.
19.
Yes.
7 and 17 and 19. Like that,
31
ma'am.
and 29. Difference between these two numbers is next
Yeah.
43
Ma'am,
and
41 and 43.
Yes.
71 and 73.
Very good.
Ma'am, like that. Which
But
has
twin
only
primes
2.
means the consecutive prime numbers whose difference is
Only 2. Only 2.
difference is
If it is more than or less than,
this
it's not
is
a
one-
twin prime
this is one
number.
more interesting fact.
And ma'am, triplet are like 5 minus 2, 3.
The prime triplets little later I will teach children. When Pythagoras theorem we will start, that time I will teach. Don't go more than that. Prime triplets also very important.
51 minus 49 also.
That is also very simple concept only, children. If you take as a 2 square is 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. 25 plus 9 is
What, ma'am?
11, 7, 11, 5, 7, 11.
Ma'am, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat it?
Children, prime triplet we will learn little later. Only you just learn about twin primes right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Twin primes are the difference between consecutive prime numbers. The difference is
Only 2. If it is more than and it is less than, it's not a twin prime
we
number.
can't take as a twin primes. There are how many pairs of twin primes between 1 to 100?
Ma'am,
This type of questions also.
Seven.
This type of questions also will ask children. How many pairs of twin primes you have in your in between?
7, ma'am. 7.
7. Any other children? Please check it if anywhere.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 83, 89, 97, ma'am. One more.
Minus is 15, ma'am.
Yes. But in other cases, we won't get. Suppose if you take as a 79 and 83, the difference is 4 there in that case. 89 and 97, the difference is 7. Okay, right, children. That's all for the day. In next class, we will discuss more about number system. Multiplication, fractions little later I will teach for you children, because I thought now all the students, 11 students are there in the classroom. Okay. Any doubts in today's class, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? Only number system. Only number system.
No, ma'am. No doubt. No, ma'am. No doubt. No.
These are very important, children. What we discussed today, those things are more important. Everyone can do addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions. And only the thing, which part is more important.
Any homework for today?
Based on prime numbers, I will write prime numbers between 1 to 100.
I'm tomorrow test, right?
Children, if you are anyone knows about prime number song, do you are aware about prime number song, children? If you are good at music, please try to sing prime number song, children, in the next class. Okay. Please try it. It's not compulsory. Please try it. You just rhythmically make some. Earlier, I used to make my kids beautifully. They are singing in the classroom. They never forget 2, 3, 5, 7, or in between 1 to 10. Like that, there are many. They can write. You can prepare, and you can write 1 to 100 prime numbers. You can write 1 to 100 prime numbers. That's all the homework for today, children. No, that book. Any doubts in today's session?
No doubt.
Shall I end the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye, children. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Please learn prime numbers like Prime Minister. You are all aware about your Prime Minister. Similarly, you need to know about your prime numbers between 1 to 100. Good. Yes.